Now, welcome back students. Now we will discuss about some more topics of chapter 4 heredity and evolution. Okay. Now next topic is characters. What are the characters? Characters. Characters. Students, characters, the recognizable, the recognizable the recognizable features of an organism, features of an organism, features of an organism are called the recognizable features of an organism are called trait or characters, trait or characters. Okay, the recognizable features of an organism are called trait or characters. Now next topic, variation. Variation. What are the variations? Variations. 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 Okay. Any difference in traits, any difference in trait or traits, any difference in trait, any difference in trait between individuals or between individuals or between individuals of a species of a species caused either through genetics or environmental. Any difference in trait between individuals of a species caused either through genetics or environmental factors or environmental mental environmental factors is called variation, is called variation. Any difference in trait between individuals of a species caused either through genetics or environmental factors is called variation. Students, we know very well all the living organisms of same species are not same in morphology, not same in morphology. They have some differences, and these differences are called variation. Okay, differences are called variations. Okay, now types of variation. Okay, next topic is types of variation. Types of variation. Types of variation. Students, there are two types of variation. How many types of variation? Two types of variation. There are two types of variations. One somatic variation. Somatic variation. Second, germinal variation. What is the name of second variation? Germinal variation. Students, I repeat again, what is the heredity? The transfer of characters from parents to their offspring is known as heredity. And genetics, next topic is the genetics, the branch of biology that deals with the study of heredity and variation is called genetics. Students, next topic is the characters, the recognizable features. The recognizable features of an organism are called characters or traits. Students, next topic is the variation. What are the variations? Variations, any differences in trait. Any differences in a trait or characters between individuals of same species. What is the variation? These are the differences in trait. These are the differences in traits of individual between the individuals of same species. Individuals of a species is called variation, and these variations caused due to the genetics and due to the genetics factors or due to the environmental factors. Okay, students, how many types of variations? There are two types of variation. One is the germinal variation and second is the somatic variation. In next video we will discuss about the what is the germinal variation and what is somatic variation. Students, it is enough for today. Thank you.